Designing a Basemap, Part 3, Changing the Map Projection of the Data Frame. In the previous video, you learned how to refresh a folder in the catalog tree. In this video, you will learn how to change the map projection of the data frame. The Earth is spherical, yet maps still manage to represent the Earth using a flat plane. Map projections make this possible. A map projection is the geometric transformation of the round Earth onto a flat plane using mathematical equations. In a later chapter, you will learn more about map projections. What you need to understand now is that there are many different map projections. The one you choose will change the shape and appearance of features on the map. In this step, you will change the map projection for the data frame to make the city of San Francisco appear closer to its actual size and shape on Earth. Before you begin the next step, take a moment to uncheck the trees and buildings layer in the table of contents. These layers are very large, containing thousands of features. Leaving them turned on may slow down your computer. You can turn them back on later when you need to work on these layers directly. Open the data frame properties. If you recall from a previous activity, in the table of contents, the word layers appears above the map layers. If you remember from previous tutorials, this item on the table of contents is not a layer. It represents the data frame. Access the properties for the data frame by clicking on the word layers in the table of contents. Select Properties from the contextual menu. When the data frame properties windows open, click the General tab. Change the name of the data frame to something more descriptive, such as San Francisco Basemap. Select the Coordinate Systems tab. Scroll down until you see the Projected Coordinate Systems folder. Expand the folder, then expand the UTM folder. Locate the folder that says NAD 1983 and open it. Select NAD 1983 UTM Zone 10 North from the list and click OK. You may get a warning. ArcMap is telling you that the data frame coordinate system does not match some of the layers in the table of contents. Since we are only using it for display purposes, that is fine. Check the box that says, "Don't warn me again this session." Click Yes to close the warning. At such a large scale, you may not notice a dramatic change to the shape of the city. Nevertheless, optimizing the appearance of the spatial reference system displayed on the data frame is an excellent habit to develop for cartographic design. Take a moment to save your map document before moving on to the next step. In the next video, you will learn how to change the map size and position.